Yo, talk to me nice. Stop. Hey everybody, it's Chrystiana and welcome back to Chrystiana Inspired. If this is your first time watching my videos and seeing my face, hey, welcome. And if you've seen my videos before, thank you so much for coming back and watching. I really appreciate your support. And my hope is that after watching my videos, you feel empowered and you feel beautiful. Today, I have another hair video for y'all. And I'm really excited for it because it's a collaboration with Slay the Crochet. You can find them on Instagram and you can also find them on Facebook, and their website is slaythecrochet.com. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I got a Slay kit from Slay the Crochet. Look how dope the packaging is. Like, Slay Queen, I love that. How empowering is that? Yes. So in the kit, they literally give you everything that you need to complete the style. Now I'm going to unbox Slay the Crochet Slay Kit. Like I said, it has everything that you need to complete the style. First is a note that tells you what your box includes, and on the back of that note, it gives you a quick guide on how to complete the style. There is a latch hook in the box. There's silver clips that you can use when braiding your hair down. There's also these beautiful jewels that you can use to accessorize your hairstyle at the end. There's also a satin lined bonnet. And inside of this black satin bag are the 7 bundles or packs of the crochet hair. So let's take a look at the hair. I got the Baddie Locs in the color Hot Sauce, which I think is such a cute and creative name for the hair. I think that's really cute. I've never done red before, so I'm nervous, but I think it's gonna look mad cute, and it's basically fall now anyway, so this is definitely a color. This is gonna be a look. I can't wait. So here we go. Just a quick note here, my natural hair was not cooperating when I was braiding my hair down. But for the braid pattern, I did the full individual look and cornrows straight back. So this is where one pack gets you. One of the bundles. On to the next. Here I'm doing the regular crochet method. You take the latch hook, place it underneath or onto the cornrow. Take the crochet hair and latch it onto the hook and pull it through. And for this hair in particular, I latched the hook onto close to the end of the hair and pulled it through the loop because the loops were a little bit smaller. So this makes it easier for install, for me at least. So this is what 5 packs will get you. It's looking nice and full. And just wait till I do my edges, honey. I'm just gonna fill in, you know. Okay. So this is the finished product. I really love it. In total, I used 6 packs of hair. I used a little bit less than 6 packs of hair total. And there's one more bundle left of the hair. so I have enough to do touch-ups or whatever. So I ended up adding some jewels. Look out. Okay, look how cute that is. And I did my edges. I used the Design Essentials, the purple max. But overall, I really love this hair. Like, I was really nervous about red because I've never done that color before, but I really like this hair on me. I think it's super cute. And also with the Slay kit, I thought that that was just genius. And it makes install super quick. It makes cleanup super quick because everything is nice and neat and you can just pack it all the way back into the box. But I also love how it comes with jewels. I think that is so dope. That's such a great idea. I also like how lightweight this hair is. It doesn't feel like much on my head. And although I do go for fuller looks, like in the past with old hairstyles, I could feel the weight, like my neck would hurt sometimes. I feel like with this hair, since it's so lightweight, I can snatch this up easily into a bun and not feel like I'm about to tip over, okay? I love how there's enough for touch-ups, like this is a good amount of hair. I love the size of these. I think it's the perfect size. See what I mean? How it's like chunky, but it's not bulky. That's what I really appreciate about it. Overall, I would 100% recommend Slay the Crochet. But thank y'all so much for coming and watching this video. I really appreciate all of your support and your love. Definitely leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think about this hair. And also, don't forget to like and share this video, and also to hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post. Alright y'all, until next time, bye.